Good evening friends. In this video lecture I will talk about the types of embryo sac and their example. So here it is the mnemonics. I have prepared the mnemonics for the types of embryo sac and their example. So now you can see mnemonics. MPO bend always. MPO means someone, suppose that whose name is the MPO. He is bend always. Clear? So MPO bend always. Listen what is means of this. Look at here. M stands for monosporic type of embryo sac. Example there, polygonum. O stands for oinothera. So polygonum and oinothera, these two are example of the monosporic embryo sac. Means MPO. M stands for monosporic, P stands for polygonum, O stands for oinothera. MPO bend always. Bend always. What means of this bend always? B stands for bisporic embryo sac. Example, end means endymion, always means allium. I am going to repeat again. MPO bend always. MPO means MP officer, you can say MP officer, bend always. Means he, suppose that you can understand, he sits somewhere, always bend. Okay. So MPO bend always. What means of this? Look at here. M stands for monosporic embryo sac and their example, P stands for polygonum, O stands for oinothera. So these are the monosporic embryo sac. These are the common type of embryo sac in angiosperm. Now second is the bend always. MPO bend always. B stands for bisporic type of embryo sac. End stands for endymion and always stands for allium. So endymion and allium, these two are the example of bisporic embryo sac. One more, this is the last, third type embryo sac. Trace frequently and plain paper drew. Means this MPO bend always, he traced, okay, frequently people trace, and what he did, he drew the plain paper. I am telling again, listen here. Trace frequently and plain paper drew. Clear? So trace frequently and plain paper drew. What means of this? Trace stands for trisporic, frequently means fritillaria, and means adoxa, plain means plumbago, paper stands for peperomia, drew stands for drusa. I am going to repeat again. Trace frequently and plain paper drew. So trace stands for trisporic embryo sac, frequently fritillaria, and stands for adoxa, plain stands for plumbago, and paper, that is peperomia, and drew, that is the drusa. So these are the example of trisporic embryo sac, means fritillaria, adoxia, plumbago, peperomia, drusa. So these are the example of you can say trisporic embryo sac. Means very simple, just look it again. That means in single sentence you can say MPO bend always, trace frequently, and plain paper drew. So this is the mnemonic for different types of the embryo sac and their examples. So it will be helpful for NEET and other competitive exams. So thank you.